Good morning, beautiful people. Update of my garden today. Let's go check it out. Right there is the front. That's the front. We got this, and I don't know the name of that. Here's my bitter melons from Paria. I'm gonna show you my fruit trees. They already have fruits on it. See, look at that. There's some in here too. Yeah, and it's not even tall. They're short. They're dwarf. Warm, yeah. There's some things here somewhere around here. See? I'm gonna burn that little one. Fire! There's a lot of fruits in here. They're not that big yet, but soon. There's more tomatoes. The tomatoes here are not doing good. I just planted them today. Oh, yesterday. So, some of my garlic over there. You know what? Somebody chewed my grapes. See, I planted this yesterday and somebody chewed on it. But they didn't chew on this one, the grapes. So there's my peaches. See, there's some peaches on it. See that? There's some more peaches over there. It's not even tall, it's just short, dwarf. There's my garlic, some more garlic in there. Let's go see some over here. Go check it out. There's my eggplant. See that? They're growing. And some over here. Some eggplants. And some string beans there. Some over here too. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot. So, yeah, on the other side too, right here. The okras are growing, but not yet. They're still small. Some of the peppers right there. More peppers and some garlic. And look at those. Look at that flowers. Peonies. See? There's a whole bunch of peonies. Look at that. Yep. Just update on my garden. So
summertime when the weather is hot, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive.
and again, thanks for watching. Look at the flowers behind me. Look at that. Yeah. Alright. I gotta go to sleep. Just got off work. See you guys.